Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute teddy bear keychain for Valentine's Day or for the love festival, and I will share different charms to make this keychain more beautiful. Everything is handmade and hand sculpted. I will share this cute pink rainbow along with the love letter and the teddy bear, these different color hearts. Everything is made out of clay. So without any delay, let's get started. So here I'm taking my handmade clay. If you haven't seen the video yet, I have given a link in description box. You can check there how to make handmade cold porcelain clay or air dry clay. Now I am just taking here brown soft pastel and yellow soft pastel, scraping it using paper knife and mixing it with my clay. Here I am making light brown shade to create the teddy bear. And this is done. Now I have created some balls for body, face, hands and legs. So we need total 6 different shapes of balls. And now one by one I will share the steps how to assemble. So first I am making here body, putting it on silicone mat so that it will not stick to the base. Add little glue on top. Then taking the another ball which we have created for face, passing one eye pin through this so that it will be easier for us to create the charm after drying it. Now passing it through the body like this. Hold it for a few seconds. Now rolling the another small ball on my palm and making a drop shape like this for legs. Do it very gently. Similarly, I have prepared one more leg, so joining both the legs like this. Then making normal drop shape, curving it little bit, and hands are ready. Super easy. So connecting both the hands as well. Then taking small ball of clay on my palm, making it flat, dividing in 2 parts, and the ears are ready. Very easy. So connecting both the ears like this. Then adding one more small circle as a mouth, which is made using light brown color. Adding 2 black small circles for eyes and also one more black circle for nose. Then adding one cute small red heart between both the hands. And the super cute teddy bear is ready. I have added 2 small black strips for eyebrows. Allow it to dry for 24 hours. Now I am scrapping little red color and mixing my clay with this to make light pink color. Here I am showing you how to make the love letter. So the clay is ready. Adding little talcum powder on the surface, flattening it using tool, and now I am trimming it from all 4 sides to make it in rectangular shape as the letter. Now making some embossing effect on this using one of the tool to look like a letter. And then on top of this I am sticking one small cute red color heart. And the love letter is also ready. Now taking one pin and making one hole in one of the corner of this letter, so that we can convert this into charm after drying. Like this. Allow it to dry. Then I have prepared 3 balls of different colors like light pink, medium pink and red color. Rolling it on my palm and making a pipe kind of shape. Here I am showing you how to make the rainbow. So making pipe out of all 3 clay balls. and then arranging all these 3 pipes on top of each other to create the rainbow shape. Like this, just marking it in a straight line and trimming the excess clay from bottom using scissors. And the super cute rainbow is ready. Then adding one small white color heart in one of the corner like this. Allow it to dry completely. Then taking 3 more balls of same shades like we taken for rainbow, flattening it on the surface. And here I am using this beautiful heart shaped cutter and cutting 3 different colors of hearts. So all 3 colored hearts are ready. Like this, allow it to dry. Then taking back my teddy bear, I have taken out the pin little bit out and holding it through the pin like this. And it's time to varnish our teddy bear. So I have kept it for 2 days to dry it completely. Now it's stiff and hard. And it's time to varnish this. So here I'm taking Pebeo varnish in gloss. You can also use matte varnish, and after varnishing, how gorgeous this is looking. Then taking the eye pin again, adding Fevibond on the eye pin. You can also use B6000 glue or B7000 glue, any strong adhesive, and then passing it through top of the head. Do it very slowly and gently, and after drying it completely, it will stick inside it permanently. So this is done. Now taking back the rainbow, this is also dried and I have varnished it. Now passing one eye pin through top of this as well. I have added glue already. Then taking the love letter on the one corner, I have added one silver jump ring. So all 3 charms are ready. Now taking one silver color chain which is having approx 5 cm width, and with the help of my plier I am attaching all my charms with the chain. So by leaving some chains, I am attaching rainbow charm. Then middle of it I am adding letter. And then at the end I am adding teddy bear using silver jump ring. And the super cute first charm is ready. Now proceeding for the second charm. So our heart is also dried. Now creating the hole using pin through the heart like this. Then passing one silver jump ring through this, keeping it aside. Then taking one silver eye pin, passing one light pink color bead through this, cutting excess wire, make a loop on the top and passing it through the pink color heart. Like this. Then taking medium pink heart, I have added jump ring on both sides of this, so passing through the light pink color bead. On top of this I am adding medium pink color bead. And then at the end I am attaching red color heart with this. So for the medium pink and red, I have created holes on both the sides of heart and passed 2 silver jump rings like this. So this is also done. This is the second charm. Now proceeding for the third charm. So here I am taking one silver eye pin, passing one ready-made light pink color heart, one red heart, making a loop in the bottom, then passing one more silver eye pin through this, then adding one big pink color heart bead through this, and at the end I am adding one pink color bead, twisting the wire from bottom and keeping it aside for a few minutes. Till that I am here creating the tassel hanging. So taking here light pink color embroidery thread, and on my 2 fingers I am wrapping it for 20 times. Then creating one knot on the top using same pink color thread. Add glue on top and connecting it inside the tassel hanging, which is ready made. All the supply links are given in description box. You can check there. Now I'm trimming the loops in the bottom and leveling it up. Comb it nicely to make it fluffy and cutting it in level. So the beautiful tassel hanging is also ready. Now taking back the bead hanging, passing through the loop in the bottom, secure it nicely with the plier, and our third charm is also ready. So pretty. So all our 3 charms are ready. Now it's time to combine all together in keychain holder. So here I am taking silver color keychain ring, taking one silver jump ring, connecting the bear charm with the topmost part of the jump ring, then adding another charm in the middle and again adding the third charm with the chain. So all 3 charms are connected and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. So the beautiful love keychain or love charm is ready. You can hang it on the purse or on the wallet or on the bag, or you can also use this as the keychain holder and you can gift it to your loved ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.